Hi guys, today let's discuss DEX and this upcoming Global Trading Championship. So this is a global discussion, and if you want to update the current subtitle, you can select closed captions and then go to settings and select your preferred language guys. No? So dito nga guys, ang dami pa rin mga nagtatanong gamit yung cellphone, gamit itong application na ito, kung paano nga ba dito ma-access or mapuntahan itong DEX, no? So, you can check dito sa my home tab. Ayan. And then, you can select itong DEX. Ayan. So, makikita mo dito yung mga available na tokens, no? Ayan. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first. Subscribe yung YouTube channel natin. Turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So ngayon ay punta muna tayo dito sa DEX. Ayan. Magbigay lang tayo dito guys ng example. Itong si Sachi. Ayan. Ito, as per checking sa kanyang price, 4 hours time frame, for me it's a take profit na ito. No? So it's better to have or to take profits, hard cash, and ito ay meron akong like I think around this zone. Ito. So meron ako dito ng profits, no. So we can just take profits na ito. Ayan. And if you want to sell, just select sell and you can sell dito guys, no. So this is only an example. We can sell 100%, sell, confirm, and ayun. So transaction submitted. And isa nga yun sa mga strategy, yung taking profits guys, no. So dito you can just check yung price action. Meron na rin siyang chart, merong order books, ayan sa gilid. So sa may home tab lang yan, and then dito sa DEX, no. So you can see those different tokens dito na available sa market, no, sa decentralized exchange na tinatawag. Again guys, I just want to share some experience dito and to answer your questions guys, no. So itong application pala na ginagamit natin sa DEX is available on the centralized exchange, is not yet registered in SEC, no. So itong application na ito, and again, I'm not financial advisor, just want to share my insights. Itong video natin today is just for ideas lang and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights lang dito, no. And mapapansin din natin dito guys kung anong chain or blockchain yung pinaka-tokens na yon. Like for example, this one is Solana, no. Itong Sachi na ito. Itong Ping, tas Jesse is on Base. CJN is on Base. Xdog is on Xlayer. Ayan, makikita natin yung mga badge nila dyan. We can view more as well. Ito yung mga available tokens under the DEX dito guys, no. So ngayon ay puntahan natin yung home tab. Dahil meron dito sa mga banner na ito mga campaign na ito guys. So you can just explore this one. Meron ditong for self-development, I would say, yung Global Trading Competition 2025. Meron price pool dito na 1M USDT. Ayan. So we can check dito. Ayan. So nakapag-join na ako dito. And for me, it's a part of self-development. Sa mga gantong event, we've been joining, we've been participating trading tournaments for the past couple of years, and it's type of, for me, it's type of self-development to enhance skills, knowledge, experience, and to compete with different traders dito guys, no? And to journal kung ano yung mga mistakes. If ever na profits, take profits. And if ever na you do mistakes, it's part of the learning curve. And isa ito sa mga event na inaabangan ko rin personally. And to get more experience. And again, as mentioned, as part of my self-development guys, no. So you can join dito. Ayan. So merong 4 days na lang to start itong championship, no. So may mga leaderboard, meron ditong boosters, I think upcoming ito, ayan. So daily ito. Meron ditong pinaka rewards, daily task. So Compete bonus task. Meron dito mga bonus task na available. You can read as well the competition rules, competition rewards, and reward amount allocation. No? So, meron ditong for individual as well. You can earn free USDT if ever man mag-tap ka sa leaderboard. No? So, yun. Hope you get some insights dito, ideas, updates dito sa video natin today. At kung mayroon pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.